Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern and this is a reverse rectangle triangle pattern, and in this pattern numbers are printed from 15 to 1 in an decrement order. In each numbers the 1 is decremented in each number. So we used nested for loop to understand or learn this pattern. So firstly we declare two variables that are used for nested for loop, and we declare I and j variable that are used for nested for loop, and we take integer type three variables I, j and k, and we initialize k equals to 15 because in first row we want to print 15. In first row, in first number we want to print 15, so we used k equals to 15, and we declare I and j variable of integer type, and we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take three parameter. Firstly we initialize I equals to 1 and check condition if I less than equals to 5, and I increment to 1, and inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we also take three parameter. Firstly we initialize j equals to 5 and check condition if j greater than equals to I, and j decrement to 1, and inside this inner for loop we print the variable k, because k initialized to 5, because k initialized to 15 before starting the nested for loop. So in first row the first number will print 15, and after printing the variable k, we initialize k equals to k minus 1 because in each number the difference is minus 1, and outside this inner for loop we print backslash n for cursor to the next line. So when you execute the program, the accurate output is shown as below. So like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. If you have any concern or any question regarding to this pattern, you can ask me anytime in the comment section, and have a great day. Thank you. I know one